I have no idea how to introduce this video. So yeah. So as absurd as it sounds, using random stuff to generate keys, or which I'll explain later, but like using random stuff to generate things is not that uncommon of practice. Cloudflare, the thing that runs most of the internet, a lot of it at least, don't quote me on it. Anyway, Cloudflare has this wall of lava lamps, and what they do is they take photos of these lava lamps, which is pretty darn random. You can't really predict which way the lava is going to flow. So they use this wall of lava lamps to generate their keys, which does a pretty darn good job at keeping the internet secure. So I am just going to take that randomness, turn it into a seed, and see what kind of world terrain my laundry cooks up. So I have my laptop open here, and I'll take you through the steps to convert the image of the laundry into the seed. If you don't want to sit and watch all of that, I'll leave a timestamp so you can skip to when I'm actually playing with the seed. So this is our Minecraft world before generation, and the idea is pretty simple. We're just gonna import this library called hashlib, which gives us all the functions to hash the image, and we're just gonna import the image into Python and convert that into a stream of bits, and then we hash the bits, which turns it into a 256-bit hash, and then you take the first 8 bytes of it, and that's gonna be our seed. I am not gonna bore you all too much with the code, but I'll just speed it up so you guys know what's going on. So since the function to hash it is called digest, I'll just name the variable poop, because that's what you get when you digest. So here I'm converting the hashed 256-bit key into the seed by taking the first 8 bytes, but as some of you might notice, I didn't actually take the first 8 bytes, so I'll be fixing it later when I find out that I'm dumb. And the byte order, it means that it's big endian. That just means that the highest value byte is first rather than the lowest value byte being first. It's two ways of representing it on a computer. And signed equals true means that it can have a negative sign, so it's a signed integer. So I'm running it right now, and I will soon find out that I printed the whole thing. So that's 256 bits. Look at that dumbass. And yeah, that is our seed. So I'm just gonna copy the seed and paste it into Minecraft, and let's see what it cooks up. So yeah, this is what my dirty clothes look like as in Minecraft world, and it looks pretty boring because, I mean, I don't know, it's just a random world. Now let's try a different picture. So let's see what kind of world this gives us. And Mr. Astley has blessed us with an ice spikes biome. Right, so that's basically it for this video. I'll leave the photo of my dirty laundry in the description in case you guys want to make the exact same world, but why would you want to do that? And if you guys want to see more weird stuff, there's quite a bit more coming up, so subscribe. Bye bye.